Every groundbreaking invention looked unnecessary at first. The TV, the iPhone, even the internet. Glow Up Hub is the same way. People may not realize it yet, but soon they won't imagine living life without it. I built Glow Up Hub because I watched too many people I love drown in their own thoughts with nobody to reframe it for them. I used to be that voice every day, every conversation. Now I've turned my perspective into a platform. So people don't just survive their emotions, they grow through them. This isn't just my dream, it's my purpose. I want to make sure it's informative. I want to make sure that you get something from it because I don't want it to be a waste of your time. What if perspective shifting was as common as brushing your teeth? Glow Up Hub makes that possible. Tools, lessons, and guidance that stop conflict before it explodes. There's less broken homes, less workplace bullying, less violence in our communities. It starts with one skill, learning to see differently. I'm a 24-year-old woman from Detroit, and I know what it means to break cycles. Glow Up Hub is my way of rewriting the story for my family, my city, and anyone who ever felt unheard. If I can teach the world to pause, reframe, and respond with emotional intelligence, then we don't just change individual lives, we change generations. Glow Up Hub isn't about apps or tools. It's about rewriting the human experience. And that starts here.